Thursday, August 24th, 12:15 Mountain Time, 2017. You're looking at Hurricane Harvey on the null school. This is a predictive model showing where it's going to be tomorrow. The green circle I have right there is the wind speed inside of the eye wall. Right over here it is, 192 kilometers per hour. That puts it easily in a Category 3 hurricane status. That's around 120 miles per hour. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing weren't upgraded to a Category 4 before it makes landfall. Yesterday, as we were watching it, it had more than enough assistance to become at least a hurricane. Kind of assumed it would be a major hurricane, and it's still got time to even become a Category 4. So don't be surprised if it does. Either way, if you live in that area of Texas, I'll show you where they've got the hurricane warnings set up right now. Kleberg County, all this area right in here, Loyola Beach, Baffin Bay, Kingsville, Ricardo, obviously Corpus Christi. Corpus Christi is going to be on what I call the Mike Tyson side of this storm. That strong right that's coming around, and it's going to be packing a lot of wind and a lot of water. And here's the thing, the teal color that you see right here, that's nearly, well, in some cases it is right there, it is in that area. That's 100% vertical integrated liquid. What that means is it's 100% water from ground to surface. And it's going to do that for several days in this area. Several days. It's going to create a literal water world in this area. So if I lived here in this area, my family and I would be north of San Antonio. I would batten down things the very best that I could. I would grab our most precious items and go north of San Antonio, because San Antonio is going to be right in the mix of this too. Even though it's farther inland, it's not by any means out of the woods. Absolutely not. This thing can easily do a lot of flooding near San Antonio. And check this out, guys. I know this from experience from being in Hurricane Charlie in 2004. Hurricane Charlie came in this way, 150 miles southwest of Orlando, and it tore Orlando up because there was so much debris that the winds could throw around because it hadn't seen a hurricane in many, many years. Same scenario over here, unfortunately. There hasn't been a hurricane here for a long time. So that means there's been a lot of new trees grow and mature. Some of the bigger trees have gotten bigger. They're going to be intertwined into power lines. So you can expect 100% power outages in this area. I don't know if it's going to be 100% blackout, but I guarantee you there's going to be a lot of power outages extending all the way up through San Antonio over to Houston, clear into Austin. This is over 300 miles wide, 150 miles inland, just like I experienced back in 2004. And I didn't think that I would see power outages in 2004, being 150 miles inland. Oh yeah, some friends of mine were without power for over 2 weeks, and we were 150 miles away. So expect it. If you're in this area, just simply move to higher ground. This is going to be a total water world in that area. And like I said, these people here, you need to evacuate, number one. You're going to be viewing the world through the eyes of Noah. That's what this is going to look like. This is going to be completely inundated with water because this is going to be a multiple day, long duration event. The null school has it going, well, it doesn't even go up past the 30th, and it's still got it doing the same thing in the same area for days. The only thing that goes down is the wind. See the teal sitting there? And I just moved it forward 3 days. I don't even know if I can go 4 days. No, I can't. 3 days it's sitting there doing the same thing. So this is a big deal. It is a big storm. It's going to do a lot of damage, unfortunately. So if it was me and my family, we would be north of San Antonio, probably up, I don't know, Austin. I don't know if I'd feel comfortable in Austin. Maybe. Definitely Dallas. It's going to get wet in Dallas, but nothing like down here. This is going to be a water world, guys. So be prepared. Here's a look at it on the GO 16 infrared. And there's that hard right. That's only going to get stronger as it gets closer to land. Yeah, this is going to be a doozy. So prepare accordingly. And if you have, here's something that I just saw, and it's actually a good idea. If you have lawn furniture or a pool, and you have furniture that you don't have anywhere else to put, if you can't put it inside, put it in the bottom of the pool. It's not going to get blown around into the windows of your house, especially if you live along the coast. If you have a pool, an outdoor pool, put your furniture in the pool. It's just as good a place as any, and it's not going to end up through the windows of your house, especially if you're in a hurry. But move to higher ground, guys. Water World is on the way. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.